And now, news. Correct news on Top Correct FM. News sharp on Top Correct FM.
Inspector General of Police IGP Mohammed Adamu don't give order for security to tight well for all INEC offices and INEC shades for inside the whole country. Police talk person Frank Mba drop word saying he tell the command commissioners of police for the 36 states and FCT to make sure say security bam for INEC places before, during and after elections. Case where we say August for Imo State chapter of APC carry against the National Chairman of All Progressive Congress, Adams Oshomole, go enter court for February 18. Daniel Wafoy be the claimant for inside this matter when they for High Court for Federal Capital Territory inside Buhari. They ask court, say make them send Oshomole go prison, saying disobey court order and he scatter the Oga group for APC inside Imo State and he replace them with caretaker committee. National Youth Service Corps NYSC don't talk say no reports they say any copper die for the latest we no go green where we say Islamic Movement of Nigeria IMN aka Shiites do on top their Oga Ibrahim El Zakzaki as he still did detention. Oga for talk matter Mr. Adenike Aderemi drop the wall to reply to Riwe Komot say coppers they protest on top the matter wey happen for inside Abuja.
News sharp from Obodoyibo.
Algeria 81-year-old Presido Abdelaziz Bouteflika won contest for 5th term for the election wey go happen for inside April. He announced am for message when he drop on top Tori matter. Bouteflika don dey sit for 20 years but he no too dey come outside since he get stroke for 2013. He say he still wan serve and the fact say body dey worry am anyhow no go hold am back for the thing wey he wan do for the country. Tori don't come out say the discourse between Republican and Democrat lawmakers to prevent another US shutdown no reach anywhere as they no fit agree on any decision. The people when they negotiate been they hope say deal go day by Monday when last month federal government money deal go end. The last shutdown reached 35 days and it cost US economy like $11 billion.
News sharp on Top Sports Waka.
Manchester United defender Phil Jones don't talk say things done better for Old Trafford since Ole Gunnar Solskjaer take over for December. He said the club na joke under Jose Mourinho this season, but sun don't they shine now for the Red Devils as Solskjaer they lead. Man U don't win all 11 games, season enter and then they for number 4 position for Premier League table.
If you know here I'm on Top Correct FM.
It don't happen at all.
Make you check again if it don't happen.
The countdown don't start. Today, now 5 days before election. You don't get your PVC? You don't ready for this election? Shine your eyes when you dey vote oh. Make your vote count.
This na message from Correct FM.